you tired of staring at blank sheets of paper while dreaming of perfectly printed family photos and important documents? Well, you're in luck. In this digital age, having a reliable home printer is like having a trusty sidekick in your quest for creativity and organization. Whether you're a student juggling assignment or a home office hero fighting the paper pile, our guide to the best home printers will help you print like a pro minus the wild ink stains. Buckle up for an ink-sessional adventure. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5, Brother HLL 2460DW, our pick for best budget home printer. Are you fed up with printers that demand more attention than a celebrity chef during a live cooking show? If your printing needs are as sporadic as a solar eclipse, think those rare return labels or that important document that pops up once in a blue moon, the Brother HLL 2460DW family of printers is your new best friend. With its sleek design and rock-solid performance, this monochrome laser printer is like the dependable sidekick you never knew you needed. Efficient, versatile, and always ready to jump into action. Need speed? How about zipping out up to 34 pages per minute? You'll get those documents quicker than you can search for that elusive receipt. And when it comes to connectivity, you're in luck. Wi-Fi, USB, or Ethernet, this printer has you covered on all fronts. Opt for one of the fancier models, and you'll even enjoy the convenience of automatic duplex printing. Saving trees while printing? Now that's multitasking you can feel good about. With ultra-low maintenance and cost-effective cartridges, you won't spend your life in a tug-of-war over printer supplies. Instead, you can kick back and spend that precious time actually putting your printer to work. So why settle for high-maintenance drama when you can have a reliable workhorse by your side? The Brother HLL 2460DEW is the no-nonsense solution for all your print needs. Number 4, Canon PIXMA TR8620A, our pick for best home office printer. Are you tired of your current home office printer just sitting there like a decorative piece, doing nothing but collecting dust? Meet the Canon PIXMA TR8620A, the multitasking dynamo that's about to breathe life into your workspace. This all-in-one marvel is like having a devoted assistant who never asks for a raise. With an automatic document feeder and a flatbed scanner, you can breeze through tasks without breaking a sweat. Well, maybe just a little. And with 2 paper trays ready to handle everything from your regular printing paper to that premium cardstock you've been hoarding for a special occasion, you're always prepared. Concerned about print quality? No need. The PIXMA TR8620A produces crisp monochrome documents and vibrant photos that might make your Instagram-worthy vacation snapshots a tad jealous. Plus, it can spit out a 10-page document in under a minute. Talk about leaving your old printer eating your dust. Sure, photo printing may take a moment longer, but trust me, the jaw-dropping results are worth every tick of the clock. With a monthly duty cycle of 1,000 pages, this printer is built to keep pace with your ambitious home office dreams. So don't wait around. Elevate your workspace with the Canon PIXMA TR8620A and embrace the magic of professional quality printing and scanning right at your fingertips. Your home office will thank you. Still on the hunt for that ideal home printer? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3, Epson Expression Premium XP 7100, our pick for best color home printer. Are you ready to elevate your home office game? Meet the Epson Expression Premium XP 7100, your new best friend in the world of printing. It's not just any printer, it's your go-to for stunning photo prints and crisp monochrome documents. With multiple paper trays, it's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly where to find everything. No more juggling between glossy photo paper and standard sheets. As an all-in-one gadget, this little powerhouse comes complete with a flatbed scanner and an automatic document feeder that has a knack for auto-duplexing. Say goodbye to flipping papers like a pro magician. This printer lets you scan both sides with the push of a button. It's perfect for those late-night homework sessions or when you need to whip up reports faster than you can say print. Whether you're printing beautiful borderless photos up to 8 by 10 inches or tackling a mountain of documents, you'll be amazed at its versatility. And let's talk scanning. It doesn't just get the job done, it does it in style. With the nifty SD card reader, you can also print directly from your next vacation snaps. So, if your low-volume home office needs a quirky sidekick that delivers quality, convenience, and a touch of flair, the XP7100 is here to make your printing dreams come true. Get ready to impress! Number 2. Brother DCPL 2640DW, our pick for best laser home printer. Are you tired of your inkjet printer playing a game of hide-and-seek with your paper tray? Meet the Brother CDP-L2640DW, your new laser-powered partner in productivity. This all-in-one marvel isn't just fast, it's practically a Formula One racer with a booming 36 pages per minute. If your old printer felt like it was stuck in reverse, this one will have you cruising through documents like a boss. Sure, it's built like a tank, but it also knows how to treat you right with automatic duplexing for double-sided printing. Just keep in mind that the automatic document feeder only scans one side, perfect for when your forms are feeling a little one-dimensional. After bidding farewell to the endless ink cartridge replacements, you'll wonder why you ever settled for anything less. Those toner cartridges? Well, they're your golden ticket, delivering around 3,000 pages per cartridge, far more than your average ink. Yes, the upfront cost is a tad steep, but think of it as an investment in your sanity. So, whether you're in the middle of a home office takeover or just need to print endless pages of documents, this workhorse has got your back, and it'll do it all without breaking a sweat. The Brother CDP-L2640DW, where efficiency meets your home office dreams. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E, our pick for best home printer overall. Are you tired of printers that vow to do it all but end up just doing nothing? Say hello to your printing superhero, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E wireless color, all in one. This bad boy doesn't just print, it practically sprints through pages. Need to churn out a 10-page report? It's done before you can finish that cup of coffee over a minute, and you're ready to tackle your deadline head-on. Worried about the cost? Fear not. This printer is easy on the wallet thanks to stellar cartridge yields. And with HP's Instant Ink plan, you get to sip on some sweet savings while enjoying 3 months of ink for free. Who knew that your print-savvy self could be so budget-friendly? Sure, it doesn't have near-field communication for those who want to print by just tapping their phones. But let's be real. Who needs that extra clutter? The real challenge might be finding a cozy corner for this gentle giant. It's so spacious that it needs a throne of its own in your home office. So get ready to unleash your inner print maestro with the OfficeJet Pro 9135E. Whether you're pumping out work documents or showcasing your adorable cat's latest antics, this printer is here to elevate your game. Say goodbye to the mediocre and hello to printing perfection. And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best home printers as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.